2-year-old. Welcome back, and today I have another Goodies haul and Factory Connection haul because, as you know, I was buying for my nephew and actually my mom too. So I got a few things, and they just decided, Goodies decided to have Black Friday in July. So yeah, I racked up, probably spent too much. Anyway, so here's the Goodies haul, or part of it. I don't know why I decided to get these, probably because they were on sale. Because, you know, I just bought some. But I might change my mind on what I want. So I thought this was a pretty pattern. And like I have just a solid blue. These are blackout curtains. These are heavy, or polka jacquard window panel. Why this says kids, I don't know. But 37 by 84 inch. This is 2 panels, or supposed to be 2 panels. $10. So, and they were really 50. I might put them up in this room or something to help the lighting situation. Not in here, but you know, just the sun burning. So anyway, those are on sale. They had a thing of any clearance, like 70% off clearance or 50% off clearance on buy one get 2 free. So a lot of these weren't on sale before. These are actually junior 2X, or 2 of them are, which I go in between 1 and a 2. Like these I tried on, they were a little loose in places, but like it was slightly baggy in a couple places, like around the waist, like where I dip in it. But the thing is, they're a little shorter than I normally prefer in a tunic shirt anyway, but still wearable with leggings. So the 1X would have been too short. Like, or I did try on 1X, it was too short. So I was like, so I had to go 2X, but they're just a little bit, just in a couple places, but not really bad. So I got this one. So I think the highest price was 20, so I got 3 for 20. Got that one, which I think is so cute. Of course, it's like a fall shirt, or spring, early spring around here. Shirt. That was definitely pretty fall, and I like that one. And these I got for somebody that I ain't saying who, but I thought it was cute. It came with a choker, and this should be, it has a little knot. I went back today to watch my Foxy Charm video, but I talked about they had you showed up at 9, you were only at 30 people, you got a discount card. I only got $10 off instead of $100 off, but I put it towards this shirt, which is $4.99. I was looking at it, it is an 18. My nephew's like an extra small, so 18. I was just afraid of the length, so I only got this one because he likes orange a lot. So that was for $5. They had these on sale for 20. This is the same brand. I'm gonna be so mad if the ripping of the lining happens, like you can if you watch Foxy Charm. And the last week, my newer purse that's only a couple months old decides to rip all the lining on one side. So this one's like a hobo-ish style. I'm wanting to color one. The only color one they had was like exactly like the one I have. It has a couple pockets. Hopefully it has more give, and I can fit more in here. But I do like the color. I mean, I can take this in the summer. It's more of what I got yesterday. I picked up this frosted plum. Frosted plum, $4.99, because I gave one to my neighbor for Mother's Day, because you know I just had it. So and she was like in love with it, but I never got to try it, so it's mine. I also picked this up because I figured it'd be a good gift for somebody, and I had it on sale for $4.99. This is a vanilla almond Tuscan Hills collection. You have body lotion, body butter, body wash, and body scrub. So I figured that'd be a good gift for somebody. I picked this up for my mom because she really likes the Ed Hardy. Normally we used to get the knockoff all the time. But anyway, I had a 20% off coupon that, even though they were doing the doorbusters, I mean, these weren't on doorbuster. His Fragrance and Beauty usually aren't. I mean, they'll go on clearance every now and then. But I actually had 20% off. That was only good through today, actually. But I went ahead and spent it last night. So I used it on this. This is the Ed Hardy Love Kills. Love Clothes Slowly, I guess. And you get the body lotion, shower gel, and adult perfume natural spray. It was half off for $27.50, and I got 20% off of that. And that's for my mom's birthday. Yeah, how much she's paying attention. I might have picked that up for somebody. It's the only one they had with that initial. All shorts, men's and boys alike. Boo, get down. I'm gonna knock everything down. Were on sale for $10. My nephew's like, we're thinking 29 or 30. But this one had a belt, even if he's a little, 30's a little too big. So, got him some cargo shorts. Nice. And these are the ones I was talking about the other day that were for $50 and they weren't on sale like 2 days ago. And then they go doorbuster for $10. And these are a 29 actually. So, some shorts. Right, and then Factory Connection moving on. Okay. I found him this shirt because he's looked like him. It's like $7, so I just got him that. Straight faded. Now this is Southern Marsh. I had gotten him some t-shirts with like the bird on the back, like the duck or whatever. This one I thought was nice for church, and he's gotten preppier lately. So there's that. These are on sale for $12.50. These were, I hate into the jean, but hopefully he's cool with them. They make like jogger denim like now. Okay, these are size small in young men's, so they were on sale for $12.50. They are American Eagle, and Jen says these are normally what they get him anyway. So hopefully they're long enough to fit and they look nice. So really nice jeans. I'm like, I don't know how they make the whole elasticy waist jeans. So, and I got him these because he will wear colored pants. These are 29.30s. They were on sale for $10. They're American Eagle. So we got him the blue ones. I didn't even realize they were American Eagle, but dang, they are. All right. Last couple things. Okay, last two things are actually for me for a collab I'm going to do soon. Look how cute that is. A little choker. It's on sale for $1.50. I'm like, that's cool. Alright. And the next thing I got was this big old necklace to match it. So, $7, obviously. And yeah, that was my haul. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.